Kia ora, I'm Shar from Harcourts. How does the saying go? If these walls could speak? Well, let me tell you a little bit about Unit 2, 335 Bower Ave. It's been in the same family for nearly 34 years as an investment property, and from father to son, their goal has always been to provide a healthy home sweet home for their tenants. And now it's time for a new chapter to be written for this lovely unit. 100 square metres inside, I think it's time we should go exploring and see if this is right for you. Come on in. The outside gives you an opportunity to get creative. Maybe you'll be inspired by the proximity to the beach. Garden beds, barbecue area, jungle gym, water feature, chicken coop. This is a fantastic first home, investment property or downsizing opportunity. And you'll get to write the next chapter of this wonderful home.